At Mineola, we embrace 21st century learning. The world has changed, students have changed, and it's vital our teaching changes as well. Mineola has reimagined itself to be more than just a school. We've redesigned our classrooms, our lesson design, and our teaching to become an innovative learning environment. There's no better way for a student to learn than to do. To achieve this, we've upgraded our facilities to include makerspaces, fab labs, and research facilities.
The Science Research Program focuses on improving our students' ability to think critically, logically, and to follow the scientific process.
Yeah, it's definitely different from when we're actually doing it versus like reading it online.
So you get a further insight of what you're doing rather than just reading it and then easily forgetting about it.
One of the things that libraries have been trying to transform into is maker spaces for students where they can create.
We want students to design themselves. We want students to make. We want students to create. We want to have the tools to be able to help them bring those ideas to fruition.
Well, I come here just for fun to explore robotics. So the Ozobots are my favorite that we have at the library. With the robots, I think I'm exploring my own learning. This is great for like engineering, which I would like to be when I get older, so.
Right now I'm making a replica of a bridge. When they got the 3D printer pens, I was pretty excited because I've always wanted to play with one. So right now I'm just exploring what I can do with this.
It's called a Sphero. I'm learning how to work with new technology and all that kind of stuff.
We're seeing students embrace project-based learning and then extending that learning beyond the class period.
It's open field. Kids can make any projects that they want.
It is kind of inspiring to see kids kind of take ownership of what they want to learn and how they want to learn it.
The platform circular saw that we have in the shop was not functioning correctly.
My teacher, Mr. Summer, and me discussed if we could fix it using 3D printing.
Michael took this on as his own challenge. Michael saw a problem. He spoke to his teacher about it and said, I think I can fix this. That's simply amazing.
While transforming the way we experience learning, it was natural that the environment itself would change as well. We've redesigned classrooms to embrace collaboration, offering students space to come together to share ideas. The seating is varied, from high-top tables to rolling chairs to couches. There's a space that suits everyone.
It really allows the students to have a comfortable environment to work.
Even a lot of the businesses and a lot of the workplaces today in the city are shifting towards more of an open office format. So really we're trying to replicate what they will eventually be a part of.
In Mineola, all students learn in a one-to-one environment. By embracing technology that matches student expectations, we're able to communicate and connect in incredible ways.
Students are able to use their iPads to really collaborate with each other and be creative in order to solve a problem. And that's really a 21st century skill.
Putting an iPad in a student's hand allows them to access the curriculum 24 hours a day. It allows their parents to access the courses that they're using. It's definitely improved our ability to communicate across the board.
It's amazing. It really puts ownership on the students.
The girls are getting ready to videotape this week's video broadcast of the Mustang News.
Right now what I'm doing, I'm setting up the iPad on the app TouchCast. We just copy and paste the script into the teleprompter. We record it and then it distributes to the school.
I think it's a really amazing opportunity that they have.
It's also vital that the Mineola experience expands beyond these walls.
Well, we have a service center here that's second to none. We have students that donate thousands of hours a year in total. There are countless activities that our kids are involved with, and it's all about giving back to the community.
One student had a particular attachment to a children's hospital in Queens. When my other students heard that, they decided to take on for the month of December, making toys for that hospital. It throws your head for a loop. You think you're simply teaching a skill, showing them how to 3D model, but here are my students reaching out to the world, being compassionate to somebody else.
The best part about embracing a 21st century learning environment is building 21st century skills. Students are going to need collaboration and communication, and they're going to have to think critically to solve various different types of problems regardless of what field they're in. Mineola is creating the next generation of learners, and they're doing so in a lot of very exciting ways.